Hello students, today we are going to learn determinant. In the previous standard you have seen determinant of order 2 to solve the equation of two variable. So determinant will be like this, A, B, C, D. So determinant like this, that is which are the rows, horizontal are rows and verticals they are the columns. These will be columns 2 C1 C2 R1 R2 R1 denotes that is a rows. Now you know how to find the value of determinant AD minus BC. AD minus BC. So which is the value of determinant. Now we will see determinant of order 3. Determinant of order 3. Okay. Now how to solve the or how to find the value of determinant. So see here determinant 3. See the example in your exercise 4.1. Find the value of determinant 3 minus 4 5 1 1 minus 2 2 3 1. So which is a determinant. Okay. Now to find the value of determinant, जब हम फाइंड करेंगे वैल्यू ऑफ डिटर्मिनेंट तो क्या करेंगे, जो फर्स्ट हमारा रो है दे आर द मल्टीपल, वो मल्टीपल फॉर्म में रहेगा. ओके. सो जो फर्स्ट नंबर क्या है रो में 3 है ना, फर्स्ट रो का 3. नाउ 3 जो कॉलम में वो कॉलम छोड़ के 1 3 -2 1. Second number is always negative, so minus of -4. now -4 कौन से कॉलम में, हमारा सेकेंड कॉलम में. उसको छोड़ के जो बच रहे वो 1 2 -2 1 प्लस 5 कौन से कॉलम में, थर्ड कॉलम में. थर्ड कॉलम छोड़ के जो एलिमेंट्स बच रहे वो. now 3 into. now you know how to find a 2 by 2 determinant. So 1 plus 6 है ना, 1 into 3 into -2 minus 6, 1 plus 6 minus plus 4 1 plus 4 plus 5 3 minus 2. So 3 into 7 plus 4 into 5 plus 5 into 1. So 21 plus 20 plus 5. So which is equal to 41 plus 5, which is equal to 46. So the value of determinant which is equal to 46. So again see here, find the value of determinant of order 3. 3 minus 4 5 1 1 minus 2 2 3 1. ओके. सो जो फर्स्ट रो में वो दे आर द मल्टीपल रहेंगे. पहले हमने 3 लिया 3. अभी 3 जो कॉलम में है वो कॉलम छोड़ के सेकेंड और थर्ड रो देखो, उसमें कौन से एलिमेंट बच रहे हैं 1 3 -2 1. ओके. -2 सेकेंड एलिमेंट विच इज ऑलवेज नेगेटिव. सो माइनस ऑफ -4 -4 कौन से कॉलम में, हमारा सेकेंड कॉलम में. उसको छोड़ के जो बचेंगे वो 1 2 -2 1 प्लस 5 1 into 2 1 into 3. देखो 5 अभी कौन से कॉलम में, थर्ड कॉलम में. 1 into 2 1 into 3. ओके. सो 3 into 1 plus 6 plus 4 into 1 plus 4 माइनस माइनस प्लस होगा, प्लस 4 into 1 plus 4 plus 5 into 3 minus 2. Simplify this, 3 into 7 plus 4 into 5 plus 5 into 1. So we get finally that is a 46. So in this way we can find the determinant of order 3. Okay. Now we will see the applicable sum. Applicable sum means that is to find the value of x if you are given the value of the determinant. Okay. So in exercise 4.1 that is a question number 2, which they are the applicable sum. So find the value of x. Find the value of x if now 3 by 3 x minus 1 to 2x 1 minus 3 3 into minus 4 5 which is equal to determinant. We are given here the value of determinant is equal to 29. Okay? In the previous example, we have seen that you have to find the value of the determinant. But in this example, you are given the value of determinant. Using this, we have to find the value of the elements in the determinant. We have to find the value of x. Okay. So using determinant, we know that. Now you know how to find the determinant. So x in the first row all multiple x first column में remaining minus 3 5 minus of minus 1 second element always negative minus 1 कौन से कॉलम में सेकेंड कॉलम में है ना तो 2x 3 minus 3 5 plus 2 into that is a 2x 3 1 minus 4 now to solve this so x into 1 minus 4 minus 3 5 minus of minus 1 2x minus 3 3 5 plus 2 into 2x 3 1 minus 4 okay now simplify this so x into 5 minus 4 plus minus 4 into minus 3 12 minus 12 minus minus plus 1 10x plus 9 plus 2 into minus 8x minus 3 which is equal to 29. Okay. Now simplify this. Therefore we get x into minus 7 plus 1 into 10x plus 9 plus 2 into 8x minus 8x minus 3 is equal to 29. Okay. Now simplify this. So we get minus 7x plus 10x plus 9 minus 16x minus 6 is equal to 29. Okay. So simplify this now collecting the term of x. Okay. So which are the minus 7 plus 3x 10x which is equal to 3x minus 13x. Okay. Now minus 13x plus 9 minus 6 so which is equal to 3 plus 3 which is equal to 29. Okay. Now minus 13x is equal to 29 minus 3 which is equal to 26 minus 13x which is equal to 26 so x which is equal to minus 2. Okay. So in this way we can find the value of x by using determinant of order 3. Okay. Now we will see the next topic that is a minus and cofactors. Okay. So first we will see minus. What is a minus? So minus will be like this. See here the determinants. Now we take direct example. Find minor and cofactor of minor and cofactor of element. Cofactor of element of matrix. So see the matrix: 2 minus 1 3, 1 2 minus 1 5 7 2. Okay. So before this, first we will see what is a minor. Okay. So minor means that is a minor. Okay. Minor of Aij is obtained by eliminating ith row and jth column. Obtained by eliminating ith row and jth column. Ith row and jth column. And what is a cofactor? So the definition of cofactor will be like this: cofactor of Aij, which is equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij, where Mij is what? That is a minor. So first, what is a minor? Minor of Aij obtained by ith row, eliminating ith row and jth column. Okay. So my dear student, you know the position of the elements. What is the position of elements? That is a 2 which is equal to A11. A11 denotes means first row, first column. First number of row denote कर रहा है, और first column number of first number, और जो सेकेंड नंबर है वो नंबर ऑफ कॉलम डिनोट कर रहा है. हम अभी ए आई जे, इसका मतलब क्या है? उसमें ith रो एंड जेथ कॉलम है. ओके. नाउ वी विल सी माइनर ऑफ ए आई जे. फर्स्ट माइनर ऑफ A11 फाइंड करेंगे पहले. द माइनर ऑफ A11 विल बी डिनोट लाइक दिस, M11, है ना. अभी देखो M11 कैसे फाइंड करेंगे हम? इलिमिनेटिंग फर्स्ट रो एंड फर्स्ट कॉलम, है ना. Eliminating first row and first column, which remains, क्या बचेगा वहाँ पे? 2 7 minus 1 2, है ना. And you know how to find this determinant? That is a 4 plus 7 which is equal to 11. Similarly, we can find M12. M12 means eliminating first row, second column. First row, second columns. Which elements remain here? Here, first row and second column. So which elements remain here? 1 5 minus 1 2. Okay. So 2 plus 5 which is equal to 7, है ना. ये इसको मल्टीप्लाई करके उनका सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे. 1 into 2, 5 minus 1 which is equal to 7. Okay. Similarly, we can find M13. M13 which is equal to first row, third column, first row and third column, which remains here 1 5 2 7. So which is equal to 7 minus 10. 7 minus 10 which is equal to minus 3. And yes, now how can we find minor of remaining elements? Same, that is a M21 which is equal to, what is the M21 denotes? Deleting second row and first column. Now see here, in the matrix, eliminating second row and first column. Which elements remain here? Minus 1 7 3 2. Okay. So which is equal to minus 2 minus 21 which is equal to minus 23. M22 denotes what? Second row, second column. So eliminating second row, second column. Okay. So we get 2 5 3 2, right? So 4 minus 15 which is equal to 4 minus 15 which is equal to minus 11. M23, eliminating second row, third column. What we get? second row third column 2 5 minus 1 7, 14 plus 5 which is equal to 19. M31 M31 2 M31 third row first column, what we get? Minus 1 2 3 minus 1, so 1 minus 6 which is equal to minus 5. M32 is equal to, what is a M32? Third row first column, sorry third row second column ना. देखो अभी ये अभी यहाँ पे ये क्या आएगा? थर्ड रो ये सेकंड कॉलम. विच एलिमेंट्स रिमेन? 2 1 3 minus 1, so which is equal to minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. Last cofactor sorry minor M33 third row third column. See here third row third column 2 1 minus 1 2, so 4 plus 1 which is equal to 5. Okay? In this way we can find minor. Okay? Now how can we find the cofactor? Okay, so what is the formula for cofactor? Cofactor of aij which is equal to minus 1 into I plus j mij. Now cofactor of a11 which is equal to, see here cofactor of a11 minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 m11. So in this way today we have seen minors of this element. Now in the next lecture we will see cofactor. Okay? If you have any doubts, mention in comment box. Okay.